Without a question, the Samsung Z Fold 6 is a good device, but let's face it, it's not the company's finest folding phone. Because an already existing version is superior in many important ways. We're talking about better cameras, larger screens, a slicker, thinner design, and a crease that is far less obvious. If you bought the standard Fold 6, you're probably a little bit disappointed because the Fold 6 essentially does everything we were hoping it would do from the beginning. However, this is where things start to get interesting because Samsung appears to have learned from this and isn't repeating the same mistakes with the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7. The CEO of Display Supply Chain Consultants, Ross Young, recently gave an interview. Features of the Z Fold 7 expect an 8-inch inner screen and a 6.5-inch cover display in the Z Fold 7, which will feature display sizes almost identical to the Z Fold 6 Special Edition. The possibility that S Pen support would not materialize is something we were all hoping for, and that's a bit of a letdown. Ross Young claims that the Z Fold 7 will not have a digitizer, which is essential to the S Pen's functionality. As a result, there will be no support for the S Pen and no location for the pen to be stored inside the device, which is a little bit annoying. It's true that removing the digitizer could make the phone 0.6mm thinner, but losing the S Pen capability seems like a step backward. However, before you get too upset, there is some good news on the horizon. You may be wondering how Samsung is going to deploy a whole new technology that will enable stylus input without the requirement for a digitizer. It's all about electrostatic induction. If you've ever used an Apple Pencil, you know that it uses active electrostatic technology, which means that the pen itself has electrical components and a battery inside, making it thicker and requiring charging. The best part of this system is that the display doesn't require any additional parts, allowing the device to remain sleeker and thinner. Thus, the pen input is possible without requiring additional space or display components, which might revolutionize the foldable market. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.